Thank you for stopping by the channel and welcome. This is an experiment in automation and AI to create a faceless YouTube channel. One of the many ideas found within the daily shorts you'll see here. This channel has been fully created, scheduled, and automated to run on its own for the next 100 days. Subscribe and watch daily to see the results of this faceless YouTube channel with AI. After 100 days, results will be revealed, and how you can do this too. Just one of many ideas shared on this channel. Both short and long-form videos are available. Be sure to watch them all. Like and subscribe for more. See you on October 1st.
If you have ideas for side hustles and making money online, share in the comments. Most comments will be automated, but there is still someone behind the curtain. Thank you again for checking out the channel.